Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, July 26, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had a really bad day today. You know, we had nice open trade equity on the close yesterday. I wouldn't have dreamed that we were going to have any problems today, really, with positive open trade that good. Markets opened today and my jaw just dropped. We had two positions, one in Cirrus Logic, CRUS, and another in Expedia, and some very bad earnings reports came out this morning before the market opened in those markets, and they just completely fell out of bed. And we ended up taking a loss in Cirrus Logic of about $6,000, over $6,000, and we took a loss, get this, in Expedia of $16,000. Now that it just doesn't get worse than that. So, you know, right off the bat, we're looking at $22,000 in losses in only two markets. It's going to make a very tough day when that's the way the day starts. Fortunately, the thing that kept us from just completely going belly up today is we had that one good trade in TripAdvisors that we ended up taking over $12,000 in profits in. But when it was all balanced out and everything, we still lost $14,000 today. That's rough. We can't take many losses like that, but it happened today. It's going to happen. If you're in this trading game, you're going to have very unexpected things happen once in a while, and they happened to us today. Not too much I can say. The Dow was again in roller coaster mode, ended up closing up 3, but we just, you know, it's tough. Anyway, I'll show you the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see today it just made a big V. I mean, this is hard to figure out. In spite of the fact this is very erratic performance for the Dow really didn't have anything to do with our problems today. But anyway, as you can see, it started out just tanked right at the beginning, got down here. I think it was well over 100 points down here, and then it came all the way back and closed slightly positive. Crazy day for the Dow. I'm going to show you our pain today. It doesn't happen too often, but it does happen. This is in CRUS. We bought this yesterday, and what's painful to me is this was a re-entry. We had bought the market the day before, got out of it, and then we re-entered it. And then it actually closed with a small profit, and look at this mess here. That costs us over $6,000 right there. If that isn't bad enough, it does get worse. This was in Expedia, and this was even worse. We bought this yesterday, didn't really do too much on the close for us. This morning this thing opens up down 20%, and that costs us $14,000, and believe me, it just doesn't get much worse than that. I have to close on a little bit of positive, and I will. This is the great trade we had in TripAdvisors. We bought this 2 days ago. Little pop up there. Screamed yesterday. We hung on to it, and it screamed some more today. We got out of it right there on top. A perfect trade. I mean, thank God we had this. It kind of cheers me up a little to see a perfect trade. That trade is worth over $12,000 and kept us from absolutely falling into the toilet today. Anyway, not a great day for us, but we do have small open trade equity going in over the weekend. I wish you all a great weekend. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you on Monday.